Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. So today is day 17 of learning English with me, and today I am going to tell about my daily life.
Lights flicker, shadows stretch narrow. Hands move distorted in the blurred pain. Echoes of silence driving me insane. Buzz of machines screaming the truth. Colors bleed out in slow motion loops, chasing the sparks in a
So yesterday I went to Noida with my brother, and my younger brother had an ear problem. So first we go to the hospital. The doctor checked his ear, cleaned it, and prescribed some medications because he had an ear infections. After that we came back home and had a lunch, and in a menu my brother ordered a dosha. We really enjoyed it. Then we planned to go the mall with family. First we went to the Venice Mall. There I bought a book called Atomic Habit to read. I read in a Chrome page, but I can't understand, and also some page is given in the Chrome, so that's why I had read it before. So I wanted to read it again. After that we went, and I also some buy a cloth, everyone in our family. After that we went to Jodio, then DLF Mall. By the end of the day we all felt very tired, so we planned to have a dinner. We ordered food from Domino's and also ordered some drinks and snacks from Jepto. Then we planned to watch a movie, and so we watched a movie called Bank Chore on Netflix, and it's a around 2017 movie. So but it movie is amazing. After that we went to some discussion in family member, then we went to sleep, and the next day we hurried to came back in Mathura. So we came to Mathura, and there was a small function our home for a baby, and my family distributed some sweets in our four blazes, and also we also performed some rituals at a home. We enjoy everything a lot, and now I am planning to stay in my place until my exam, because I want to spend time with the parents and also want to live in Mathura. So I reach I stay in Mathura, and I will make videos from my place, and that's my lifestyle these days, and that's why I can't upload long videos regularly. So thanks for watching guys, see you in next video, and that's it for today guys. And I am planning of 90 days challenge of speaking English in short video. So daily I upload a daily one short video, and I am also completed 21 days challenge of speaking English. So that's it for today guys, see you next video. Jai Hind, bye bye.